Hello friends, from morning to evening we are utilizing all chemicals. Now we need to choose lifestyle utilizing maximum natural resources. This is possible to adopt simple living on balancing and supporting to our environment. It is easy to reduce carbon footprint and essential to ecological living for our own benefit. It includes renewable energy based, social, economical, cultural adaptation of simple methods which will reduce chemicals in our life within our limits. It is need of time, depending upon our choices, making positive changes, and indeed, impact is really healthy and good. I have sweet lime peels cut into the small pieces. Fill half bucket with water. Sprinkle sweet lime peels and soak white and colored daily clothes in it for 3 hours. Squeeze the clothes from water and keep for drying. You will observe dirt, dust from the clothes are settle in the water and sweet lime fragrance to the clean clothes. It is based on the flowing of molecules from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Same water we can sprinkle on the flowering plants. This way we can save 20 liters of water and we attract lot of insect which are pollinator. They get easily toward the flowering plants. Peels retains moisture from the soil. Even the harvest is more. You can try it. Boil few sweet lime peels with water and neem leaves. It is not question of rich, poor or affordability. It is supporting our health, wealth and environment, saving chemicals and plenty water. If everyone will use it once in a month, we can save huge amount of water and chemicals, which is very essential. Boil peel water can be used for a cleaning hair to get shiny luster with natural resources. All citrus peels used on top of soil are giving more harvest by attracting pollinator. They are retaining moisture from soil and saving water for plants. Seeds are also useful for regenerating plants. Use every part of a citrus fruit